Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in finance and tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your JCB credit card in 2025. With new security features and digital upgrades, activating your card has never been more secure or convenient. Whether you're a first-time user or switching to JCB for its global perks, stick around. This quick guide will have you up and running in no time. First things first, once you receive your JCB credit card in the mail, double-check the package for any activation instructions or a unique code. Most cards come with a sticker or enclosed letter, so don't toss that away. In 2025, JCB has streamlined the process with multiple options to suit your preference. Let's dive into the steps. Option 1. Online activation. Head over to the official JCB website or open the JCB mobile app, which is now equipped with biometric login for added security. Enter your card details like the 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll then verify your identity. Think entering your date of birth or a one-time PIN sent to your registered phone. This usually takes less than a minute. If you're not tech-savvy or prefer a personal touch, go for phone activation. Call the toll-free number on the back of your card. You'll speak to a friendly representative who'll guide you through confirming your details. Remember, for 2025, JCB might ask for voice recognition or a security question to prevent fraud. Once activated, test your card with a small purchase to ensure everything's working smoothly. Pro tip: set up notifications in the app to track your spending and stay on top of rewards. And that's it, folks. You've successfully activated your JCB credit card and are ready to enjoy perks like cashback and international travel benefits. If you run into any issues, JCB's 24/7 support is just a click away. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.